क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। Hello everyone, this is Parshuram. Welcome to Rashi Learn. In this episode, we'll be doing the song Teri Diwani, sung by Kailash Kher. To play this song on the guitar, it's quite simple because you'll be using only 3 open chords throughout the song. Song is in the key of E minor, so you are going to use the same chord progression almost, that's E minor, D major and C major. People who want to do the vocal part along with guitar playing, I will suggest to practice, rehearse the vocals part first and then start playing the guitar along with your vocals, because it's quite difficult to do both the things together simultaneously. Now, I'll try my level best to be in the pitch as sung by Kailash Kher. Now, the strumming pattern for this song goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Try to put stress on the first down stroke. Rest all the other strokes you can keep it very soft. So it goes like this. I'll just play the same strumming pattern in the on E minor chord. Sounds like this. Now, the first few lines of this song, you are not going to play the strumming pattern. You will just give a simple downstroke on E minor, D and C and back to E minor. Once you start with the main part of the song, there's a first verse, only then you will start strumming. So the first few lines, just give a simple downstroke on all these open chords and you can do the vocals. Let's do the first verse of this song. प्रीत की नत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, हे मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध ना रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी. So that was the first few lines of the song, which you're going to just play on E minor, D and C. After this, we'll be moving to the strumming pattern of the song and we'll be singing along with the next part of the verse. So let's get started. तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी. So that was the first part of the song. Let's move to the next part of this. Again, the chord progression and the strumming pattern is going to remain the same. That's E minor, D and C. So let's sing the second part. इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहरे हंसते रब खोले। कहीं इश्क दी मर्जी है, कहीं रब दी मर्जी है, कहीं इश्क दी मर्जी है, कहीं रब दी मर्जी है। तेरे बिन जीना कैसा, सांसें डरती हैं, तूने क्या कर डाला। मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। Now let's sing the last part of this song. Again, the chord progression and the strumming pattern is going to remain the same: E minor, D and C. है मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, है मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, है मैं अलबेली मैं मस्तानी। गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं, है मैं देर धर्म से बेगानी, है मैं दीवानी मैं दीवानी। तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं। तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला। मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। So that was a song Teri Diwani by Kailash Kher. I'll suggest please rehearse the vocals first and then move to the guitar part of this song, and then try to do both the things simultaneously. So hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel and keep watching for more of these lovely videos. Thank you. Bye bye.